Are you interested in boosting your whole marketing campaigns on social media and Google? Meet Plai, an advertising platform that enables creators and small teams to launch customized advertisements in seconds with no prior knowledge necessary. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. Without making manual adjustments, your team can start a campaign by plugging creative materials, applying campaign criteria, and getting the drive up and running. You will be able to achieve essential marketing benchmarks, such as expanding your reach to a specific demographic to boost your web presence, selling more products, and publicizing new store locations. Plus, Plai's digital approach can assist your business in expanding in either direction, regardless of whether you run an e-commerce business or a more traditional brick-and-mortar store. And when you need help deciding which strategy to take, you can utilize the advertising templates to give your marketing efforts a strategic impact easily. This is especially useful when you need help deciding which direction to take your plan. You can quickly establish retargeting audiences across Facebook, Instagram, and Google with the help of Plai. You can also create audiences that are similar to others right within Plai and receive suggestions on targeting alternatives for you to consider. Plai will compose your ad copy, generate images and videos, and rotate them to find the optimal ad combination, saving you dozens of hours in A/B testing. This platform merely requires you to submit your income goals and experience level to build a personalized advertising plan that you can implement in just a few clicks with no prior experience required. Additionally, the platform will supply you with leading advertising methods, allowing you to begin advertising like a seasoned professional immediately. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Boost your social media and Google marketing campaigns with Plai. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.